Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fort Oglethorpe Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. As a professional long-distance moving company, our moves cover over 50 miles of distance. This type of move is an interstate move because it is made across the state's lines. It can also be an intrastate move, occurring within the same state, although a long-distance move requires the federal and state authorities' allowance. 3 Men and a Truck, TMT, is an accountable moving firm to customers and the authorities. We are certified, insured, and licensed to do long distances to all destinations. If you are moving into Fort Oglethorpe but lack the resources and workforce to do so, we are ready to help you relocate without stress. Whether fragile or huge items, our qualified staff are perfect for the task. Unlike our long-distance moves, our local moving services are within the lines of the state. Whether your relocation is to the next street or town, TMT specializes in giving you 100% during the moving trip. An added advantage in leasing our local moving services is its affordability. Our local relocations are charged based on the number of hours in use. For an amount of $30 to $40 every hour, TMT can execute your move conveniently. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fort Oglethorpe moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.